Let me show you how to submit the Flink job by application model on the standalone resource provider. A Flink application cluster is a dedicated Flink cluster that only executes jobs from one Flink application and the main method runs on the cluster rather than the client. The job submission is a one-step process. You do not need to start the Flink cluster first and then submit a job to the existing cluster section. Instead, you package your application logic and dependency into an executable job jar, and the cluster entry point is responsible for calling the main method to extract the job graph. Okay, in order to submit the job by application model, we have to locate the Flink job jar into the lib directory. So execution is a copy command lib, and also we needed to stop the cluster standalone cluster of Flink cluster first. Wait one moment. Now, no Flink cluster running at all. Okay. We can call the or execution the Flink provided standalone job command and specified the start option and specified the job class name, the fully class name. Okay, execution this command. Wait one moment. Okay, starting standalone demo on the Hadoop 151. We try to open the job manager web UI. Wait one moment. Okay, as you can see, the available task slots is 0, and our job is submitted and running, right? But it's not really running because this moment not the task manager at all. Click and into the Flink job. You can see the state is created, but not execution and not process ready. Okay, so how to let this job running? we have to start the task manager for this job. Okay. Task manager command starts that. Wait one moment. Okay, as you can see, the currently we have the one task manager running, and the total have the task slots as 2, and available task slots as 1, and our Flink job is running, right? Okay, this is application model on the standalone cluster. It is not the good experience, and I'm not suggest you submit the job by application model on the standalone. I suggest you submit a job on the Hadoop ERN resource provider. Later, I will explain the resource provider by ERN. Okay.